Okay, so we've been talking about addition. Can anybody tell me what addition means? Does anybody remember what we've been talking about? Like putting together, finding a total, what do you think?
Put numbers together.
You do, you put numbers together to find a total, right? We talked about putting together. Can you say putting together?
Putting together.
And adding to.
Adding to.
And we've used stories where if I had 5 apples and I wanted to have one more apple, if I put them together, right? We talked about that as adding. Yes, Alexis?
That makes 6.
It makes sense?
6.
Oh, it makes 6. You're right. You're right. Now, we've been adding using our fingers, right? So if I say I had 5 apples, right? Show me 5 apples on your one hand. And Alexis has 1 apple, so put your other hand. Let's put them together and let's add. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 and 1, we put them together and it gave us how many? 6. Great. Okay, awesome. Now today we're going to learn the terms called plus. Can you say plus?
Plus.
Plus. That means adding. Plus means adding. And then equals. Can you say equals? Equals. Yes. Okay. So if we were using cubes or my fingers, instead of saying putting together or adding to, I could say 5, right? 5 blocks or 5 on my fingers plus 1 more, right? I could use a different color to kind of show you 5 and then plus 1 more. It gave me how many? 6. Okay? So a plus sign, I want you just to look at mine. So here's my number 5. Okay? Show me 5 fingers again. 5 fingers plus. There's my plus sign. Y'all see the plus sign? Plus, hold on Alexis, you're going to look at me first. Plus, how many more did we say?
6. 1.
Oh, yep. 5 plus 1. Okay. It gives me 6, but what's equals? This is my equal sign, which means the total amount. So 5 plus 1 equals 6.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, good. So does everybody see that? Our plus sign, you can even make it with your fingers. Go like this. Plus sign, when we start seeing the plus sign, that means that we are always going to do adding. We're going to add 2 numbers to get the total, okay? All right, I'm going to erase my board. Get your marker.
Okay.
Yep, sure is easy. We are going to write, oh, good job, but we're not going to write that one. But great job writing your number 5. So erase that. We're going to start slow. We're going to do a 3. Can you do a 3? Write the number 3. Here's my number 3. Do number 3. You can write it anywhere on your board. 3. Okay. We're going to do plus. Can you write the plus sign?
Yeah. Good.
You see it? Almost looks like a T.
Looks like a 4. It looks like a T.
My plus sign looks like a 4?
No.
It
looks like a T.
Part of it, yes. So 3 plus, and let's just do 1. Okay? Now, don't yell out the number yet, okay? 3 plus 1. I want you to do an equal sign. Show me an equal sign. Okay. Now, There are multiple ways that we can find the answer to 3 plus 1. I want you first to show me your fingers. How would we find 3 plus 1? Our first number is 3, yeah? And we want to add how many more? 1. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. We can use our fingers for adding. Now hold on. We know our answer is 4. Let's see also using different cubes how it can help us doing adding. Can you show me 3 plus 1 using cubes? So one color for the 3, one color you're going to use for the 1. Can you show me what 3 plus 1 would look like? Here. Great job. Great job. Yeah, no, you did it. You did it. Leave that blue one there. All right, Maddox, show me. What did you do? 3 and 1. 3 orange and 1 blue. Good job. Now we did the same. Awesome. Alexis, you did the same? You did the same? You all did the same. Awesome job. Now write equals 4. Good job. 3 plus 1 is 4. All right, erase your boards. You did great. It's not? Do you want to switch? You can use mine and I'll use yours.
Yeah.
Want to do that? Okay. All right, because you did so well, let's do a little bit of a bigger number, okay? Let's try. Good? Okay. All right, let's do 5 plus 3. So write 5 plus 3 equals. Do not solve it yet. 5 plus 3 equals. I want you to show me how you would do 5 plus 3 using your fingers. Show me how you do 5 plus 3. Okay, show me. You show me. 5. Okay, count them. Good job. You got it? 5. 5 and plus what? Okay. Plus 2. Hold on. Here, look at mine. 3. Good job. Good job. Okay, now show me what that looks like using blocks, please. Yeah, here, you finish writing it. All right, show me in blocks using 2 different colors what that would look like. Oranges. Keep looking, look at your numbers. Show me what. All right, let me give everybody time. Hold on. So, when we're doing this, let me remind you, I probably wasn't the most specific. When you choose one number, you want to choose only one color to represent that. So, choose one color for your first number. What's our first number in our math? 5. So you should have 5 of one color. 5 of one color. Awesome, Joe. There you go, Joe. You have 5. Now I want to add or plus 3 more. So I need to choose another color to represent that 3. Okay? So you want to have 5 of the blues. Okay? How many do you have right now? How many more blues do you need to add to get to 5? Okay, put them on there. All right, so we got 5 plus 3. Are you looking at me? 5. Let's count on. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. You need a couple more, right? All right, and you can finish your equation on your board. Good job, Penelope. Ready to count them? We can count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should have 8 total. Now write the perfect. Good job, Alexis. Now write number 8. Yes.
My eraser is kind of big.
Okay, here, you can use mine. It's fine. Yes.
I just told you 8 what you did with this.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, now what I want you to do is come up with your own equation. Make up your own numbers. Okay? You can write any number you want, and you're gonna just have to show it how you got the answer. Okay? So if I was coming up with my own, I might say 1 plus 3. And then I would write 1 plus 3 equals, and then I would have to go, okay, let me do 1 orange, and I'll do 3 more of the blues to show my 1 and my 3. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I would do my equation. I would put my blocks right here. So you come up with your own numbers. All right, solve one of those and give me your answer showing me cubes. What numbers do you want to choose? You can choose any number. That's okay. Choose any number. You want to do 4? Okay, so do 4. What number do you want to do? Okay, so write 8. All right, now Mannix, good job. Show me that in using your blocks. Okay, 4, and then choose another number. Good job. You want to do 6? Okay. All right. So, which color do you want to show to represent that one? You want to do blues? Okay. So how many more do you need for 4? Do 4 more blues. Okay. Now how many more are you adding? 4. Okay. So 4 more. You said 4 plus, what number did you put? 6. Okay. So then how many oranges do you need then? You need 6. Okay. You did it. Now put them together and add them all together so that you get your 4 plus 6 equals. Count them all. Okay, you want to do 8 plus what? You want to maybe just do, how about we try 1? 8 plus 1? Okay, then do your equal sign. Yes, good job. All right, Joe, I want you to show me one of your equations. You only needed to write 1, so good job. You only needed to do 1. All right, which one are you going to show me to represent this equation? You did a great job. Which one? Okay, so do you have them here?
Yeah.
Okay, get them together. You did awesome. All right, good job, Penelope. Let me give you some more blues. Great job. The bottom of that.
This?
Yeah, it came off.
It's background in my.
You did it? Okay, can you show me what that looks like with your blocks? Choosing big numbers over here. Awesome. Teresa, tell me about your equation. What equation did you choose?
6 plus 7.
6 plus 7. So what colors did you do to represent 6 plus 7?
Orange and blue.
Orange and blue. So what is 6 plus 7?
Oh, I thought I didn't do that.
What does 6 plus 7 equal?
14.
Amazing. You got it yet, Joe?
No, I'm doing
Oh, okay. Keep going. You're doing
I'm
awesome.
gonna do more.
Good job, you did it. Tell me, what equation did you do, Penelope? Equals, right? Equals, and what did you find? What does it equal? Good job. That is amazing. Great job. Okay, listen. I've got a quick exit ticket because you did so amazing with this.
Oh, I did 11.
Yep. And so I have an exit ticket. What you're going to do, it's got 5 addition problems on here. Okay? Look, number 1 is 2 plus 7. Remember, you can use your fingers to find the answer, and you can also use your blocks, okay? Clear your boards, and I will give you this paper, and I have pencils for you to do it.
Hold on. Professor.
I've got pencils for you. Yes. You did amazing, Teresa. Thank you so much. It is magnetic, you're right. Awesome job. All right. Okay, we're gonna clean up. Good job.